With the help of a heat gun, we apply 90 Celsius degrees during 4 minutes. We are going to use a suction cup to open a hole. We introduce a metal opening tool. We use a plastic card to cut the adhesive. We release the screws from the top of the device. We remove the plastic protection from the top of the device. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. Here we have the power and volume control flex. Now we remove the screen connector. Here we have the motherboard flex cable. To loosen the adhesive, we use a contact cleaner or isopropyl alcohol. We remove the battery. Now we return with the assembly process. We use premium red adhesive roll for mobile devices. We have finished the assembly process.